From warming you up on the plane, to warding off biting insects, or even giving you that additional layer of sun protection, a hoodie can be the ultimate travel accessory. But how do you know which is right for you? First up is obviously the hood. Some will come with loose ones like this that you simply pull up and push back down. Others will come with a drawstring adjustable, so that means you can tighten them closer to your face. That can be really useful if you're going somewhere very cold or somewhere where biting insects is a problem and you want to be able to cover up tight to your face. Don't underestimate the importance of choosing the right fabric for your adventure. If you're going somewhere really cold, you're going to need warmth, and good warmth to weight is key. Look for fleece or fabric that's stuffed with synthetic or natural down fibres. Also look for something that has a wicking or cross grid system. This means it can move sweat away from you, so that when you do get warm, if you're doing something active, even somewhere cold, it moves the sweat or wicks the sweat away from your body so you don't get too cold. If you're going somewhere warm, you obviously want a lighter synthetic fabric, one that you can roll up the sleeves and not get too warm. And you may want the additional benefit of something that is impregnated with a formula to get rid of biting insects. A key consideration, as with anything when you travel, is weight. If you choose a hoodie that's fleece lined, it will naturally be heavier. Also those with a zip that you can open and close. The merits, of course, of having a zip means that if you get too hot, you can open it. You don't have that option with one without. But the others that aren't fleece lined or with a zip can not only pack down really small, but are super lightweight too. By far, the most important feature of any hoodie is comfort. So this means looking for the little finishing touches that make it just that little bit more comfortable next to your skin. Look at the seams. Are they flat locked? So when they sit against your skin, they won't rub, especially if you're sweating or moving around a lot. If it has a zip, have a look and make sure that it has a chin guard, so a small piece of fabric that covers the top, so when you do it up, it doesn't scratch your chin. And finally, whether there's biting insects or it's really cold, you might want to look for the addition of thumb loops. These stop drafts and stop getting the little nasties getting inside. Not all hoodies are created equal, and you'll notice this when you look at some that boast hidden extras. This could be something, as mentioned, like a material that is impregnated to repel biting insects. It could be in the form of pockets, such as this hidden security pocket that will easily fit some cash or a passport. Just remember, with any extra features such as additional pockets or something that you can pack the hoodie away in really quickly, it does mean extra weight. And as we know with travel, weight is definitely key. As with all these things, it's always a case of personal preference. You need to weigh up weight and features against the type of activity or terrain or temperature that you will be faced with. And above all, have fun, stay comfortable, and get ready to get your hood up and have some adventures.